Since you're here, I'm pretty sure you've seen Leah Halton's most viral video. If not, here it is. This video got over 1 billion views. And today I've decided to try her viral makeup look on my perfect but real skin. Also, I'm not gonna use the same product as Leah Halton does, but I'm just gonna use the products that I have in my daily makeup kit. So let's start. She always starts by clipping her hair. Alright, I think it looks nice. Leah starts her video by saying that she does, of course, as the first step, she does primer. To be honest, me personally, I don't do that, but we don't care about that right now. We're just trying to duplicate what she does. Me, I have this hydrating Fenty Beauty primer. I recently bought it because I bought a new foundation and I did not like that foundation. But I saw this just for the sake of my skin to look good today. I saw this life hack. I think it's Hailey Bieber's method. So what she does is she mixes primer with moisturizer. So this moisturizer, the viral one, is the best. Okay. That's a bit too much. Now let's mix the primer with the moisturizer. It doesn't go cakey or patchy or anything. This is actually my very first makeup video, so I'm a little bit nervous and it took me a while to choose like the idea for the video and everything, and I was like, oh, Leah Halton, she's so beautiful, she's so gorgeous, let me try and replicate her makeup. And also because like it's very simple and I think it suits a lot of people. So next step, she does her eyebrows, but she does her eyebrows with the brow wax from Benefits. I don't have it, but me personally, I do think the brow wax is very, very, very good, especially if like it's hard for you to brush up your eyebrows and for them to stick like that for long. So instead, I use this Russian brand brow gel. It's from Art Visage. I don't think you can find it, but there is another variation of the brow gel that's very popular in Russia. Like it's the #1 brand. It's called, I'm just gonna show you here. So this is, I've never tried it, but from what I've heard from many people, from many makeup eyebrow artists, like this is the best ever. Also, Leah has dark eyebrows and they're quite thin. For me, once in my childhood, like I kind of messed up my ends, so I always have to draw them. I don't really dye eyebrows by myself. I go to an eyebrow specialist. I'm only gonna add, this is from Divage. You can, they are the same in NYX and other makeup stores. I don't think it focuses on this. But it's an eyebrow pencil, eyebrow marker, and it's so good, so good. It's better than eyeshadows, better than like anything ever. It's so good. So I just go a little bit on the ends to accentuate more. She uses foundation next. So normally I use this ultra light Luminate CC cream. It's a Finnish brand and I love it a lot. It doesn't go cakey. It's very light. You don't feel it on your skin, which is perfect, especially for skin with acne. Also, I do not put makeup, put foundation under my eyes, okay? We do not do that. Whenever we have red spots, we just gently tapping. We're not like, just like a little bit. Okay, next one, she uses concealer. Wow, her placement is like crazy. This is a lot of concealer. This is a lot. Like, a lot. Also, she doesn't really blend it in to 100%. So we're not gonna do that either. Normally, my go-to concealer is Stay Lauder Double Wear. And even if it's double wear, guys, it's not thick. Like, it doesn't crease. This is the first ever concealer that I've discovered that does not crease. But the problem is, as you can see, I'm very fair skin, and this one, sadly, it's not as light as I would love for it to be. This is L'Oreal infallible, whatever the word is. We're gonna use that because this one is very, very, very light. Oh my god. Then she does this. So we have to blend all that in to 90% as Leah does it. So I'm just gonna do this with my hair. Oh, this is crazy. Okay guys, I think this is pretty much 90% of blending. I look ridiculous. Like, what am I geisha or something? Like, why am I so damn white? I don't know if it's lighting as well, but whew. Okay, patience is the key. First, she goes with Fenty Beauty bronzer. Let me show you the placement that she does. Fenty for a very long time because it's absolutely incredible. But I have this Dior palette, and I think this one is kind of like a bronzer. And then go in like this. To be honest with you, I went a little bit low here, but I'm gonna fix that later with concealer, but this is kind of done. She does a little bit on the tip of her nose as well. The leftovers, and on her eyelids too. Next she uses blush, but I don't remember if she uses two blushes or two different blushes. So I'm gonna go with my regular blush first, I think. Have this one, Maxi Blush. It's a bit rough, so I'll try not to put a lot. This is how it looks. This is beautiful. I don't know if it looks beautiful in video or not. I don't really understand. On camera I feel like I look like a ghost, like a geisha, you know, but in real life it kind of comes together, I think.
Blending over everywhere that I did put the concealer to kind of mesh all the products in together and create like a seamless, really well blended look.
Let's go in. Okay, this is kind of looks very nice. I don't know how it is on camera, but I like it. Oh, she goes in with the powder. I don't really use powder, but I have translucent powder. It's from Manly Pro. It's very nice. In daily life, I don't use it. Try to go like here, the most, because that's what she did. Next step, she does popcorn contouring on top of this all and blush. Honestly, this feels too much for me personally, but let's go with my next palette. With my contouring. Starting from the top, okay, because we have the most product on the brush right now. So start from the top and just slightly dab it in like this. Now with whatever's left, I'm gonna go again on those areas. Here, a little bit here. I'm not a fan to put product in this area because, I don't know, to me, I feel like it always doesn't, like it never looks good. And next she goes with another blush, but this time I'm going to use this blushy highlighter again from Dior. And I'm going to use my proper blush, but also I still have a little bit of blush left on the brush, so it's perfect. I'm just going to go all in with this blush highlighter in a sense, blush bronzer, and go like, wow, this looks very beautiful. Wow, 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 oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Wow, that's perfect. Now Leah does freckles. I love, love, love freckles, okay? They're so, so, so beautiful. For this purpose, I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette that I used to use for my eyebrows, but I don't anymore. A little bit of product, and now I'm just putting it not in the middle, okay? Just putting it all over here and a little bit here to create that natural look. You can never go wrong with it. This is how it looks now. Leah goes with the powder to kind of blend it in. I don't think it's gonna work with the powder for me personally, but actually, you know, maybe. Or maybe it does. And that's all work. But what I like to do is I like to just go and tap, tap, tap with my fingers. But we're just gonna go with the powder the same way as she does, so that you could actually like see the freckles properly. Believe me, in real life it looks better, okay, than on camera, and I don't have a natural sunlight. I'll show you the end result in natural sunlight. Okay, so she does setting spray. I don't have a setting spray. I don't, okay guys? I don't know if it's actually that important or not, but like all the setting sprays that I've tried, I hated them, okay? I hated them. If you know a good one, let me know, but I don't know, not a fan.
I noticed that I use it every single time I'm doing my
Then she uses a highlighter. Well, she actually uses 2 highlighters, which is okay, fair enough. But this Dior one is, I promise you, this is bright enough for anything that you want. And it's perfect, like, she uses it here. Look how glossy it is already, oh my god. And for the inner eye and for the nose, she uses a different one. So you know what I'm going to do? I have this very cheap highlighter from Shein. Costs like nothing. So what I like to do is I go in like this. It's kind of white. As you can see, I go in like this, and then inner eye a little bit, and this all in, just like this. Just like slight taps. Go in with a Dior highlighter again in these areas.
Love a brown eyeliner, absolutely.
She goes with the brown eyeliner. Me, normally I use black, but since I'm wearing brown as well, I'm gonna use... I don't have a brown eyeliner, but I can try this one for the eyebrow pencil. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It does, but I feel like, is this very light or no? I don't know. Leah goes in and starts with the middle. Me, I like to start with the line itself and then go in like closer to the middle. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the eyebrow marker. Like, this looks so good and it's so easy to put on. Then she goes in with the mascara, but the problem is I do not have lashes like Leah does. I don't have this. This is very cheap mascara, like super cheap. You see that it's old. It's called Double Trouble by Essence, and it is extremely good. And this looks kind of nice. Since I don't have much mascara left, I put a lot of it on so that you could actually see it. But my ends are a bit damaged because of the eyelash glue. She goes in with the brown lip liner. Mine is from Stellary. I don't know if you guys have it or not. I think it's a Russian brand. She does go over the top of her cupid bow. Kind of the same what I do. Oh yeah, I need my mirror for this. My lips are a bit asymmetrical, so I go over this part a bit more. Now I'm going to find something pink-ish. So I'm gonna dig here. Let's go in with a little bit of blush. I don't know if it helps. It will help, yes. So you guys, life hack for you: if you don't have very like pinky lipstick, just use your blush, because why not? As she says, this is the final makeup look. Kind of nice. Let me quickly do my hair and I'll show you how it looks under the sunlight.